Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays.
And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Okay. Welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor Chisholm. This is Creative Corners. Creative Corners, Prism Corner, Chisholm Corner, Chisholm Chats. Chisholm Chats, Chisholm Corner Chats. I don't know what the name should be. What sounds better? Actually, I wanted to bring you a new series that I'm trying to do. I was thinking of, for one, I'm sure we've all been here once or twice, but you get kind of overwhelmed with life and you just don't make videos, make anything for a long time. And I felt like it's time for a change. So I'm going to give myself some grace. We're just going to put them out there. Every week I'm thinking I'm going to come to you. I'm just going to chat in this little corner. Okay, I'm trying to incorporate Chisholm Prism in the name, right? Complicated. Chisholm rhymes with very few things in life, okay? But we need ideas here. If you have any ideas, I asked ChatGPT already. It's not coming up with any good ones. If you have any ideas, write them in the comments. I would love to know your thoughts. Anyway, so I want to come to you guys and just talk about like weekly topics, things that are going on in the city, things that I've been up to, art, creating, to helpfully inspire anyone out there just to like do it. Just do it. Whatever you're trying to do, just do it. So that's what I'm coming to you with today. And let's jump into it. So I was actually gonna make a video about being on a party bus last week. If you're ever thinking of going on a party bus, you should do it. It's fun. It was my very first time. And then I thought, okay, I'm going to go on here. I'm going to film this whole thing, make a video about it. It's going to be great. Looking at the footage, okay, I would absolutely embarrass myself. And all the people that I was with, it was giving the Hangover series at the very end when they do the loop of like looking at the footage on the camera that they took. Mm-mm. And I will say this is actually why I drink a lot less nowadays. And maybe it's a generational thing too, of just that lifestyle. Okay, looking a hot mess. I'm the kind of girl who I will fall often in the streets, scraping my knees. I always wake up, my knees are bleeding. Embarrassing. So, of course, I'm trying to lean out of that party lifestyle a little bit more. I'm a homebody. To be honest, I'm here with my plants. I'm post up. Okay. That's just me. I also admittedly have been the girl who like pees in an alleyway. Okay. I'm full transparent with you guys. If you're judging me, come on. Self reflection. We all have moments of things we regret, okay? But I'm that girl. I have a small bladder. So I'm trying to drink less. The party bus was fun. I would recommend it. We hopped from West Loop to Old Town to Lakeview, Clark Street, Boys Town. Like, we're in that vicinity. Happy birthday to you. Fun. I have a little bit of footage I'll pop in. We also got yelled at for being drunk in places we probably shouldn't be. It's okay. Sometimes you just gotta let loose and not care about what other people are doing or saying. Yeah. I will also say the going out, the bars, the nightclubs, it's a way to make friends. And I know people recommend that for like dating and trying to approach people like cold calling, whatever. I don't know. That's not where you really want to make your connections. I get questions from people on some of my videos or DMs asking like, how do you make friends? What do you recommend? Where do you go? I always say, find a club, find a group of like-minded individuals that connect on a similar vibe. Your future husband, your future person, your bestie is not at a bar getting drunk. She's not. You gotta go to a book club, go to a run club, go to puzzles. There's a lot of board game shops. anything other than just bar drinking. It can be fun, but again, that's not where the bestie or hubby is, okay? That's my recommendation. And I will say, every time that I give a number to a guy at a bar, they never call me. They never, okay, first off, the people who do come up, I give a lot of courage to anyone who has that courage to just go up to random people and whatever. But you're also intoxicated, so there's that liquid courage. How much credit can I give? But at the same time, they don't actually be doing anything with it. I don't know. All I gotta say is this still serving people nowadays. If you're really into club nightlife, I wish I could be that girly to give you recommendations of where to go in Chicago for these things. I'm not that creator. There's a lot of other creators that I've seen on TikTok, YouTube, Reels, Instagram, whatever, that can give you that life. Go there. I also wanted to add a segment to this. So every week I want to do like an art corner, a Prism Art City Creative Art Corner segment where I will talk about a piece of art that I have created recently and have not released to the public because I have weird anxiety about the things that I make. And hopefully this inspires anyone out there who also is a creative and sometimes feels weird and self-conscious about posting your art. You should just do it. And I've been telling myself, just do it. And that's a thing easy to say, but hard to execute sometimes. So I'm just gonna put it out there and see how it makes me feel at the end. I'm also the kind of person where I feel like I'm better at expressing myself through creating. I am a designer, I'm a creator, and I really enjoy that. It's easy to get into flow state for me. So this is the best way I can express myself. So the latest things that I got into, actually. So for a moment of time, I am really obsessed with like clay right now. So I've been creating these like little pots, right? It's a clay pot. Look at this little butt on it. And I could put plants in it. And I made 3 of these guys. I this is just a moment in time. You know, sometimes you see something and you're like, I want to make it, and you get all the supplies for it, and then you do something with it for like a week, and then you're like, ah. That's kind of how I was with these pots. I thought I wanted to make a ton of them. Like this guy has a little face on him. Because I have a lot of plants, right? So it's like I should make my own pots. And maybe I'll do something with it. Maybe I won't. That's just how a cookie crumbles sometimes. There's that guy. Even just full transparency of like things that I hate, but I created it. Like, I love the idea of this. And then I painted it and I was like, I don't like the colors. So then I went back to white and then the balls started falling off some of them. And I don't know, because I also don't have a kiln, like to actually do the full process of pottery. I don't have all that. You need to go to like an actual shop. Like, look how dirty my hands are now. And I'm not doing all that. I just wanted to use air dry clay and it kind of falls apart. It's not as efficient and sturdy as like an actual ceramic pot would be. And I think that is my downfall for what I'm doing right now. But that's okay because sometimes you just got to experiment. And I still really enjoy like 3D sculpture. So I can see myself. I'm trying some other work at the moment as well with more 3D art. So we'll see where that ends up. And now I got dust all over the place. Here's another guy, which it's kind of like a funky looking face. I don't know. Imagine like it has hair. That's the idea, right? That it looks like it will look like it has hair coming out the top when I put a plant in it. Wouldn't that be cute? So, yeah, that is the art corner segment. Yay! Okay, so back into the groove. Little updates of the week. I just want to give shout outs and blessings to all the pigeons and the rats. I love them. I love them. And I feel like I've been trying to catch them in their most vulnerable moments. I saw some the other day that were a group of them were eating chicken on the streets. not them eating their own family. Like, that's problematic in itself. Okay. I also want to give a shout out to that like river concert venue under that highway. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm going to insert some clips and videos and all that. So I think it's a really cool concept that Chicago even has that. I've never seen anything like that. That was fun. It's so cool. Free little concert, suggested donations, but fun time. I would recommend it if you want to get out of the house. Thank you for watching Taylor's Chisholm Prism Corner of Art and Creations. That's not the name. That's not what I'm gonna name this. Prism Corner. I gotta. What? What am I gonna name it? If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. That means a lot and will help me. You know, that just means a lot. I like you. Okay, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.